Did you know something as simple as breathing can retrain your brain to handle stress better? Welcome back to the WAI Lifestyle Series. I'm Dr. Lisa Rubiano, a board-certified lifestyle medicine physician, as well as transformational life coach. I'm here to give you easy, practical tips that can help you create a well-lived life. So today we are talking about box breathing. This is a powerful technique to help you stay calm in the presence of pressure. It is a form of breath work used by Navy SEALs, military personnel, physicians, or anyone that could use that bit of a pause. It involves breathing in, holding your breath, exhaling, and pausing, all for the same count. This isn't just about feeling more relaxed in the moment. Studies show that practicing mindfulness can actually rewire your brain a bit. It increases the thickness of the prefrontal cortex, which is the part of your brain that's responsible for decision making, for emotional regulation, and focus. It also helps decrease the gray matter around the amygdala, which correlates to reduced stress, reduced anxiety, and negative thought. Translation: the more you practice, the better your brain gets at handling stress. So let's try it together. I would love for you to find a comfortable seat and just follow along. If it's okay for you at the moment, close your eyes. Now inhale through the nose for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. And pause. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. I would love for you to try that, repeat it a few more times, and notice how you felt before and afterward. By practicing this regularly, you are training your nervous system to shift from stress into a state of calm much more quickly. It's like a reset button for your brain. So for busy professionals, for physicians, anyone can use it in between meetings, in between patients, or whenever you're feeling overwhelmed. So try this for a week. Come back and let me know how it went. I would love to hear more. All right. Don't forget to hit like or subscribe to hear more of the WAI Lifestyle Series. All right. Take care.